Hello, everybody. This is Troy Shear with Marketing Intel Solutions, and we are back again with our good friend Dan Trinidad, CEO, founder of Benchmark Automotive Data, talking a bit about our upcoming workshop on October 12th. One of the things that we find interesting, and I see in the auto space, is that everything seems to happen from a decision-making process after the fact. We got our 30-day windows, but we don't make decisions on things until 2-3 weeks after. So it's, what is it and what are you going to share that Benchmark can help people do to understand on a daily basis to get that data to be able to take action within the month instead of waiting for the next one?
Absolutely. And I'm glad you're asking these questions in the sequence, because they go in order. You establish benchmarks, you're able to ask your team leaders questions, and that really simplifies the decision-making process. With those handful of questions that you're going to learn to ask your team leaders, it's going to bring the executives, like the owners and the GMs and the variable ops and fixed op managers, it's going to bring them the information they need to make a confident decision. Now, in the business world, there's an old saying that goes, there's never a perfect decision. You can only make the best decision available with the information you have in front of you. And that's exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get the most accurate, up-to-date information on a daily basis to make executive decisions with. Whether the outcome is ideal or not, at least you can have peace of mind and the confidence to know I continue to make data-driven decisions as an executive. And what happens is, it happens on a daily basis. It's a black and white. Here's my benchmark. Here's the questions I've asked. Here's why we're not hitting. I have, common sense, 1 or 2 or 3 solutions. And what's even better than that, I'm going to go through a few of these decision-making solutions as examples in the workshops so they can have a good idea of how to translate that data into actionable tasks.
So that's the thing in what he says there to folks. This is not just a sales pitch or like that. This is, Dan really is, and like I said, I've gotten to know him over the last few years, really wants to make sure that you understand what you can do to improve your dealership and how there's some little things that you can do that can make big improvements in what you're doing. And one of those is being able to make decisions on a daily basis and not after the fact, kind of a post-mortem. So Dan, I'm going to try one more time. Let's see, we got a really great incentive coming up here for those who come to this too, right? Can I get it out of you?
Absolutely. Please attend the workshop October 12th at 3 o'clock Central Time and stay to the end and you will learn exactly what it is.
Okay, so we get okay. I'm trying, people. I'm trying to squeeze this out of him, but he's tight-lipped. So like he said, let's see you all there on October 12th. There'll be a link to register within wherever you're seeing this video. Sign up and get there, and I promise you it will be worth your while.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for your time.